And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Statewide view of radar at this hour, and what I want to point out to you is south of Aspen, south of the Palmer Divide, we're not seeing any activity. It's everything to the north here, and you can see the showers moving in from Utah over top towards Steamboat, Cheyenne, Fort Collins, and then we make their way out into the eastern plains here. And some pretty strong thunderstorms up in the northeast corner right now towards Holyoke. It looks like a lot of this has started to come to an end here, but it's moving into a more favorable environment. Already some more activity starting to sprout up here in northwestern Kansas, but also just check out what's going on in central Kansas right now. A big line of intense showers and thunderstorms moving off towards the east. All of that is severe, and quite a bit of lightning associated with that as well. Here in southeastern Colorado, we're not looking at that, but it's the moisture that's moving over top of us that's helping to feed all of that activity. We just don't have any energy to really create that uplift that we need for those showers and storms. Live look here in Colorado Springs. Current temperature is 78 degrees under partly cloudy skies with west-southwest wind. It's starting to gust up there towards 18-20 miles an hour. Down south in Pueblo, although the winds are calm, you can still see them leaves fluttering about there, and we do have some wind gusts around 10 to 15 under a current temperature of 86 degrees and mostly clear skies. Also around the region, hey, there we are. We got some 90s out there in southeastern Colorado. 79 for Walsenburg, 67 in Westcliff, and 72 for Salida at this hour, with Woodland Park checking in with 67 degrees. Mostly clear, and you can see that here on the satellite and radar, still looking at those showers and thunderstorms up to the northern part of the state. But where is this moisture coming from, and what does this mean for our forecast over the next several days? Well, to understand this, we're going to take you way out into the Pacific Ocean here. You can make this out. This is a counterclockwise area of rotation. That's our first area of low pressure. We also have another one that's up to the north here, up in the Pacific Northwest. So this one up towards Seattle, this one is what is providing the energy that we need to really create all those showers and thunderstorms. This low down south here is what is pumping in all the moisture into our direction, and they're going to come together over top of us over the next 2 days. So watch what happens here with the jet stream. This area of low pressure quickly moves and races off to the north, providing some gusty winds for your Monday. And then on Tuesday, this is the energy we need from this main area of low pressure. So the moisture is in place. Now we just need the uplift in the atmosphere to really help to generate some of that activity. So let's play this out here on the surface. As we head towards Monday, things are still looking mostly clear. All the energy is staying towards the north as that first area of low pressure races off towards the north of us. But here it is on the surface. So as this continues to push off to the north, there goes that first batch of moisture with that first area of low pressure, and then we have the main one here to the top, and you can really distinguish that between the two areas of low pressure there. Showers and thunderstorms, they'll start to develop as we head towards Tuesday. But it's not going to be a lot. Again, a lot of the energy is staying towards the north. So here's what we're looking at closer into the surface here. By Monday morning tomorrow, things are looking very nice. Mostly clear skies for us. Still a chance for some strong thunderstorms to the northern half of the state. Heading towards Tuesday, we start off with partly cloudy skies, but cooler conditions as that cold front is slid on through. And just watch what happens as once again, showers and thunderstorms start to become a bit more abundant, and some of that energy sinks more in our direction for your Tuesday. Overnight lows tonight, it's going to be a nice one for us. Mild conditions, 50 out there on the plains, 38 for Westcliff, also some 30s for the San Luis Valley, 70s in the mountains for tomorrow, 80s along I-25, and yeah, we'll sprinkle in a few 90s out there in the Arkansas River Valley. But the wind gusts again are going to be the big story for tomorrow. As that area of low pressure races on through the state, we're going to see those wind gusts upwards of 30 to 35 miles an hour, I-25 west into the mountains. 78 for tomorrow, breezy conditions, and those wind gusts, as I mentioned, towards the afternoon, 30 to 35 miles an hour for us here in the Pikes Peak region. Heading towards Tuesday, that's when the cold front slides on through. That's when we get the energy here in southeastern Colorado, bringing in chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not only for Colorado Springs, also down south for Pueblo as well. Just a chance for thunder for you guys. But again, notice the difference in temperatures, anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees cooler on your Tuesday and Wednesday. We finally start to warm back up as we head towards Thursday. And look at that, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, walking right into Memorial Day weekend. Things looking very nice with some seasonal temperatures. Andy?